In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and this time choose AutoFill with Google here. Now select Continue at the bottom right corner. Tap on Google Password Manager. And if you can't add password here, that means that you never added one before. To add them manually, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, and then click on the back button twice. You can leave your settings opened in the background and then log in into any app or any website that requires an account. After you click on Login, you will see Google Password Manager pop up. When you see this pop-up, select Save at the bottom right corner and then go back to Settings. Tap on AutoFill with Google Password Manager, and finally select Add Password over here. Now, to add it manually, you can input any website at the top, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!